My name is Jean McKenzie. Thanks for visiting my site. Often people ask me, what is online counseling? In my practice, online counseling consists of counseling sessions by phone, Skype, or instant messaging, followed up by handouts and exercises sent by email. Some issues can even be addressed solely by email. One of the advantages of email counseling is that often people are able to more clearly articulate their thoughts in writing, and as a counselor, this clarity allows me to more accurately target the problem. Instant messaging and email lend themselves more to individual counseling. Skype and phone, however, can also be used for marriage, couples, and even group counseling, and can be useful in overcoming certain challenges. If you are living apart, or if you or your partner travels a lot, these modalities allow us to meet in real time. And with Skype, we can even see each other almost as if we're all in the same room. Other reasons you may wish to have phone or online therapy sessions with me are: you're not from Truro, but you feel that my approach is well suited to your needs. You have limitations due to an illness or disability, or you have other circumstances that prevent you from coming to my office. Telephone and online marital counseling have the added bonuses of no traffic or parking problems, no need to be concerned about your appearance. You can work with me in the comfort of your own home or office. I can be more flexible about appointment times, and if childcare is an issue, we can arrange to do sessions when your children are in bed. Believe me, as a mother of 6 children, I understand the challenges of finding a good babysitter. Another question people often ask is online counseling effective? While there are a few issues that are better suited to in-person therapy, research shows that online therapy is just as powerful as face-to-face counseling and can be done with complete privacy and convenience. Finally, people want to know, how does online therapy work? All you need is a telephone or internet connection and a quiet time to talk. If you want to be able to see each other, then you will need to have Skype on your computer. Skype is a free program, and if you need help setting it up, then you can just give me a call or send me an email, and I can give you the instructions you need to have Skype running on your computer in minutes. Appointment times can be arranged either by phone, email, or through the online scheduler on my website. After we've met, I will email you handouts with information to read or exercises to do before your next session. If you would like to further explore online counseling options, give me a call or send me an email today. I offer a free 20-minute consult where you can ask any questions you have and determine if online therapy would be a good fit for you. If you like, we can even arrange to do your free consult over Skype so you can get a feel for how it works. If you decide to work with me, I promise I will do everything I can to help you achieve your goals and attain greater fulfillment. I look forward to hearing from you.